Okay, so what we have on the dyno today here at CNC-Motorsports, this is a small block Ford. This is 351 Windsor. We stroked this out to a 408. This is a pretty basic street engine. Nothing real fancy. 4-inch stroke crank with I-beam rod, the 4-inch piston, compression ratio blueprints out to 10:1. It's got a set of Brodex aluminum cylinder heads, our custom grind, flat tappet hydraulic cam. It's a hydraulic flat tappet, not a roller. Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake manifold, Edelbrock aluminum valve covers per customer choice or as request, aluminum roller rockers. Like I said, not one of the fanciest builds that we've done. However, we wanted to take the time to go over a lot of the benefits of the Holley Sniper EFI system. That's what this engine is running. The advantages of the Sniper system are pretty incredible. Has laptop capabilities, can plug directly into your MSC distributor. You can control all the timing, everything, all right through the laptop. It's just, can't say enough good things about it. Self-tuning, easy to do. One of the biggest things about buying the Sniper system or any of the Holley EFI systems is if you buy one of our engines and it has the Holley system in it, we are a Holley certified dealer to sell EFI. We've gone to the training school, we're certified. We have the ability to troubleshoot it, but like again, we only offer that troubleshooting to our customers that have bought it. We're committed to helping you if you're having any drivability issues, figure it out for you. That can all be data logged and the files can be sent to us. So like I said, it's the capabilities of this system, it's pretty remarkable. Once you actually understand what this system can do versus some of the other competitors at the same price point, you'll understand why we choose the Holley over anybody else. Full wiring system, comes with everything. It's very easy to install. Most anybody can install it with very little effort. Everything's has instructions, so pretty easy. But we're gonna make a dyno pull. We're gonna show you the numbers. Like I said, this is only about 425 horse. Not a huge engine by any means, but this system's capable of running up to 650 horsepower. And the other thing is, after we get done with the dyno pull, the video, we're actually going to go through the entire system, the EFI system detailed, and tell you what it can do specifically, give you some of the biggest benefits of why to choose the Holley system and what its potential is and capable of doing. So we'll have that also part of the segment of this video following after the dyno pull, so make sure you stay tuned.